students, and welcome back to CBSE Tech Talks. In today's video, we'll be doing chapter innings of chapter 10 measurements and temperature of class 5 mathematics. The first question is conversion of the following to kgs. So first part A is 17 hectogram to kilogram. We know that 1 kg equals to, let me help you. We know 1 kg equals to 10 Hg hectogram. So to convert Hg to kg, what we have to do? We have to divide by 10. So what we have to do? We have to divide 17 Hg equals to 17 H divided by 10, and when you will divide by 10 it will become into kg. So you can write equals to 1.7 kg. I told you in the previous videos that when we divide by 10 or when we divide 1 and then we count the number of zeros, here the number of 0 after 1 is 1, so we will have 1 digit after decimal point. Let's do the second one. This is decagram. So 23 decagram to gram. So how many decagrams are there in a gram, or how many decagrams? 1 decagram equals to 10 gram. So we know this. So what we have to do to convert decagram to gram, we have to multiply by 10. So it will become what? 23 decagram equals to 23 into 10 grams. So answer will be 230 grams. I hope it is clear. Let's move to next part. 80 hectometer to meter. So how many hectometers equals to 1 meter, or how many meters are there in 1 hectometer? So we can write here, we know that there are 100 meters equals to 1 hectometer. So 1 hectometer equals to 100 meters. So what we have to do to convert hectometer to meter, we have to multiply by 100. So 80 hectometer equals to 80 into 100 meters. So it will become what? 8,000 meters. I hope it is clear. Let's move to next. 1 kilogram to 1 kilometer to centimeter. So we know that 1 kilometer equals to how many centimeters? 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters, and in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. So altogether 1 and 5 zeros. So 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh centimeters. Also convert, what we have to do to convert kilometer to centimeter, we have to multiply by 1 lakh. So it will become 1 kilometer equals to 1 into 1 lakh centimeters, or straight away 5 zeros after 1 centimeter. I hope it is clear. Next part is 12 deciliter to 1 liter. So 1 liter equals to how many deciliters? 1 liter equals to 10 deciliters. So what we have to do? We have to divide. So when we are converting smaller number to big, you can say bigger number to smaller, we have to divide. So to convert deciliter to liter, we have to divide by 10. So it will become 12 deciliter equals to 12 divided by 10 liters, or you can say 1.2 liters. So 12 liters equals to 1.2 liters. The next one is F part is 984 milliliters to liters. So we know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. So to convert milliliter to liter, we have to divide by 1000. So it will become 984 ml equals to 984 divided by 1000 liters, or you can say equals to 0.984. There are 3 digits after 1, so 3 zeros after 1, so we will have decimal before 3, or you can say there will be 3 digits after decimal point. I hope it is clear. Let's move to the next question. In the next question we have Asha was 79 kilograms 200 grams. She reduced her weight by 12 kg and 245 grams. What is her weight now? So Asha's weight was 79.200 kilogram. She reduced by 12 kilogram and 245 grams. Now we have to find out. So we can write, if we, as it is a, you can say, statement question, so we have to write statements. So we will start writing Asha's initial weight. Initial means at the beginning. What is the weight? 79 kg and 200 grams. Weight reduce, कितना reduce हुआ? 12 kg and 245 grams. So Asha's present weight will be what? Present weight equals to 79 kg 200 grams minus 12 kg 245 grams, and that will be calculation. If we go here, I write here kg here and gram here, so 79 200 12 and 245. Subtract these two things. It is 0, we can't subtract 5 from 0, so we will take carries to become 10. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. It has become 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. It was 1 now because we took carry, so we will be taking one more carry, so it will become 11 and it will become 8. So 11 minus 2 will be 9 and 8 minus 2 will be 6. 7 minus 1 will be 1. Sorry, 7 minus 1 will be 6. So answer will be 66 kilogram and 955 gram. So this is the Asha's weight at present. I hope it is clear. Second part is Kanchan purchased 12 liter 40 milliliter of milk. She added 2 liter 56 ml of water in it before boiling. So what is the weight of milk now? What is the weight of the milk now? So Kanchan purchased 12 liters. So we can say quantity of milk purchased. Let me select pen. Okay. So quantity of milk purchase equals to 12 liter 40 milliliter. Quantity of water added equals to 2 liters 56 milliliter. Quantity of milk now. So what will be now? Addition of both. So we can add here only. So ml, 0 plus 6 is 6, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1. It is 14 liter and 96 milliliter. I hope it is clear. The perimeter of a field is 23 kilometers 500 meters. If Ram walks around the field 4 times, what will be the distance covered by him? So perimeter is given here. So and there are 4 rounds, so we have to multiply perimeter by 4. So perimeter of field is 23 kilometers and 500 meters. So you can cut, and we have to convert the distance. So there are how many rounds Ram took? 4 rounds, or 4 times rounds. So the number of uh, total distance covered will be 23 kilometer 500 meter into 4. So 23 kilometer 500 meter. I'm writing here only by 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20, so 0 here and carry 2 here. This is meter. 4 threes are 12, plus 2 is 14. Carry 1, 4 twos are 8 and 9. So 94 kilometers and 00 meters, or you can simply write 94 kilometers. Next question is, Mrs. Mehta purchased 33 liters and 33 milliliters of a milk in a month. How many liters of milk did she buy each day? So first we have to, it is given the liters, so we have to convert into liters. So we have to go first only convert the complete value into liters, so that it will be easy for us to find out. So quantity of milk purchased by Mrs. Mehta equals to 33 liters and 33 milliliters. So when we'll convert this also into liter, it will become 33 liters. And how to convert milliliter into liter? By dividing by 1000. So this is also plus, we put plus here, we can put plus, this is something like this only. So it will become 33 liters plus 0.033 liters, or you can say 33.033 liters. And how did each day? So there are how many days? There are number of days equals to month. We are taking in generalized format, that is 30. Number of days in a month. We are not going with Jan, March or Feb. We are all together. In general, there are 30 days. So we are going with 30. So quantity of purchase per day. So quantity of milk purchased per day equals to 33.033 divided by 30 liters. So when we'll divide it, it will become 1.1011 liters. This is the milk which she is buying daily. Next part is Nirvan's body temperature shoots up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Express this in degree Celsius to see how warm he was. So we have to find out, Fahrenheit is given. So temperature of body of Nirvan's body equals to 104 Fahrenheit. So we know the formula, degree Celsius equals to Fahrenheit minus 32 degree and into 5 by 9. So equals to, it is 104 minus 32 into 5 by 9. These both the temperatures are in degree, so I am putting here degree, equals to 72. When you will subtract 32 from 104, it will be 72 by into 5 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 8s are. So it will become 8 5s are 40. So 40 degree Celsius. I hope it is clear. Now the last question of the inning is, the temperature of Delhi was 22.5 degree Celsius on 15th May. How much this is in Fahrenheit? So we have to convert this time into Fahrenheit. So temperature is given in Celsius. So temperature of Delhi equals to 22.5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Delhi in Fahrenheit will become what? We have to put the formula C degree into 9 by 5 plus 32 degree. So 22.5 degree into 9 upon 5 plus 32. So it will become, it can be easily cut, 5 ones are 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are. So it is 5.4 degree. 44.5 into 9 will be 40.5 degree plus 32. 32 is also in degree. Don't forget to put degree symbol. It will become what? 72.5 degree in Fahrenheit. So the temperature of Delhi is 72.5 degree Fahrenheit. Thank you students for watching it. If you like it, do subscribe, share and comment and keep practicing. I will be coming with the next innings from your class textbook. Till then, keep practicing.